Sigurado ka na ba sa balak mo?
Yes, ma'am. Everything is set. Plane ticket na lang po hinihintay. Starting next Monday, Mrs. Biglain is taking over this class. I will be going to London.
She makes punas the puwet of the older people there.
Wow, anak, huwag ka magtampo sa akin, ha? Huwag ka magagalit, ha? Kahit pag tumanda ka na, ha? Huwag mo susumbat sa akin na iniwan kita, ha? Hey, Diyos ko, anak, ngayon lang tayo magkakaiwalay.
Buti na andito ka na. Magkakatulungan na tayo.
Magtatrabaho ka ng maigi para mapabilis lahat ng plano natin.
Welcome to Piper's Gate.
I assure you, sir, I'll do my very best.
Si Sarah, bago nating sister dito.
Hello, Lily. I'm going to be taking care of you from now on. Open your mouth now, sweetheart. Come on, my good girl.
No, sleep. Want to swim. Want to swim.
Kaya tayo may hanap buhay dito dahil hindi masigura ng mga Briton yung dirty jobs natin.
Ngayon ka pa ba aatras? Nandito ka na.
Ba't ka ba dito?
Di bata lang yan.
Hindi bata to! Saan ka na yan? Huwag ka!
Oh my God!
Importante magumaling ka, ha? Ang liit pa lang na naitatabi natin. Eh baka matagalan bago natin makuha si Pao.
Yung mga sweldo mo pala, nagdidikta ka na.
Kung makumpara tayong dalawa sa katatrabaho, alam mo, lumipat lang tayo ng bansa, pero tayong dalawa ganito pa rin.
I'll call for you if and when I need you. Get out of my room!
If you can't fire her, I want you to replace her.
Tanong mo ko, ay harap ko sa anak ko pag tinanong niya ako, Ma, ano po ginawa niyo sa London? Ano sasagot ko sa kanya? Napapicture! This job means so much to me. You have no idea what I've had to give up to get this thankless job. That I had to leave my son back home. But I'm doing this for him because I want him to be somebody. I care about my job, sir. I care about you.
On its 15th anniversary, Star Cinema proudly presents the groundbreaking event movie of 2008.
Sometime when you least expect it, someone will come into your life and make you feel less lonely. Thank you.